Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to MT Paradise's Cards and Collectibles. So today's video, we got some really awesome Hot Wheels. We got these two little mini cases right here, which each contain one car. But I'm super excited about these, and as you can see the title thumbnail, also in the background right here, we have some pretty awesome Arsham cars coming. And these are kind of like art pieces, collaboration with the artist Daniel Arsham. So I'm super excited to bust into these. I also have some gloves of his, so his logo on one side, and then the Hot Wheels Arsham logo on the other one. And these actually came with the big set right here, which has a really cool Porsche that I'm going to be showing off in the cool little display case. But first, we're going to go ahead and open these up, check them out, and then also add them to the collection of the other cars that I have that are also the Hot Wheels Arsham collaboration. So to get started, we're going to go ahead and cut these open. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this side. And if you guys haven't already seen it, I do have a merch store. And if you guys click in the link in the description down below, I'm actually giving away a Lego Fast and the Furious Nissan Skyline GTR set. And when you guys make a purchase, you are automatically entered into that giveaway. I have a bunch of Hot Wheels for sale, bunch of Hot Wheel RLC main lines, including some new 2024 main lines. And I have monster trucks, premiums, a bunch of Fast and the Furious cars. So definitely go check it out. Link in the description down below. And let me just go ahead. So both of these are open. Let me go ahead and just pull this one out and then set it off to the side. Ooh, this looks so nice. So as you can see right there, we got the Diora 2. And this is a really nice kind of green color. So that's all around the whole box. It got some specs on it. Yeah, this is super awesome. And look at that. So we're going to set this one aside and then go ahead and pull out the other one, which I'm really excited about this one. And we got the Porsche 356, and this also looks really cool. It has like this really nice, some more specs. Boom, got that cool artwork right there on top. Like, these boxes look absolutely amazing. Like, I might actually display some of these. And I even have the Roger Dodger. So these look really cool, just the boxes alone. But yeah, we're just going to go ahead and let's just set the Porsche aside for now and go ahead and get started with the Diora 2. But before I do that, and these are all the eroded, so they're kind of like, they look like they've been sitting out. So this one from being in the year 3000, it's like the current car, but what it would look like in the year 3000. So it's all corroded and falling apart. There's like crystals kind of growing in it. But I'm going to go ahead and throw on the gloves. There we go. And I really love these gloves. They actually fit my hands perfectly. And boom, there's like the logos and stuff right there. But we're going to go ahead and open this up. I don't want to fingerprint or damage anything, so that's why I wanted to put the gloves on. But also, since I have them, why not? Alrighty, so then we have the little instruction manual saying I need to cut the tape that's going to be across the top of the box. Got the little certificate of authenticity. Let's go ahead and flip this out of here because it does come in tissue paper. We're just going to go ahead and close this box up. And then I'm just going to go ahead and set this right there, which actually looks pretty cool. But let me go ahead and I'm not going to preserve the tissue paper. I'm going to take one of the gloves off first so I can rip. There we go. Alrighty. And so far I'm really liking this green, so I'm guessing that that's going to be the actual color of the car. So you have the stuff on the box right there, the eroded Diora 2, and then that's the tape across that kind of goes down around the seam, so I have to essentially slice that open. I know some people will try to like carefully like preserve it, but I'm just going to go ahead and carefully cut this open. Luckily there is a seam that can kind of follow, so I'm not really cutting into anything. I'm not damaging it. I'm really not a huge fan of the concept where you have to sit and like cut these open. I'd rather it just be where it has like a little piece like clear tape that you can just kind of cut like this whole piece that kind of goes up and around. And also I kind of hate having to cut through that cool logo. So let me go ahead and put my glove back on. And we can go ahead and open this up. And the box looks exactly the same as the Roger Dodger style. So I kind of feel like I know how this is going to work. So these boxes are really cool. They do hinge up. Let's go ahead and see. Yep, there we go. And wow, that looks absolutely amazing. It almost looks like a marble, like a granite kind of look. And look at that. That's the eroded Roger Dodger, and it has like that gold kind of filling it in. And that looks absolutely amazing. Wow, this is so cool. And I don't know if you guys saw that. Whenever you open it, it actually like raises up out of the box. It has some nice like fabric right here that kind of like sits under the card and raises it up. But this is another reason why I'm wearing the gloves, because I wanted to take this out of the base to be able to hold it up and show you guys a lot better. So that looks absolutely amazing. There's like the back end. You can see the back of the engine with the exhaust and everything, and a little spoiler. And then the other side, because the eroded parts are different on each side. But I really like how it looks like that marble, kind of like that green, or I guess kind of like jade maybe. And then it has like the gold inside, which looks really cool. There's the top-down view. So that is just a beautiful car. I really love that color. Like, that is so nice. And then the front, which looks really cool as well. Wow, this is such an amazing car. Like, I cannot get over how awesome that looks right there. And it does have rubber Real Rider tires on it. And even the tires and rims are paint matched. And that is just unreal. I do like how that spot actually goes onto the surfboard right there. That is a really cool detail, how they kind of added that in there. And even like up on the wing as well. That is so cool. Put down in the comments down below what you guys think of this. Like, I just absolutely love it. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of set this right here. And we're going to go ahead and close up this box, set it aside, and let's go ahead and open up the Porsche. Because this one, the 356, is one of my favorite cars that Porsche made, kind of way back when. And let's see here. And I'm super excited to see how this one looks. And once again, it has the same thing with the little certificate of authenticity, as well as the little instructions, and also in tissue paper. So we're going to go ahead and close this box up. And I'm going to set it up here as well. It actually looks so cool with those. And let me go ahead and pull the tissue paper off. Alright, and this one actually looks a bit different with the tape. The tape kind of has like that cool kind of pattern on it, or that texture. So you can kind of see it a lot better what the tape looks like when it's on. And even like the logo right there even has like that kind of textured look. I don't know if it's like a brushed aluminum or like a stainless steel, or maybe even like a fabric look. I'm not sure, but it looks really cool, especially right there with that logo. So let me go ahead and same thing before. I'm just going to run my fingernail kind of along that seam so I can get a better guideline for where to run the knife. Alrighty, let me go ahead and carefully cut this open. Alrighty. So now I got that cut open. Let me go ahead and throw my other glove back on, and we go ahead and check this thing out. So we got the... Oh, that's interesting. So all the rest say eroded, and then the name. This is the Arsham Porsche 356 Bonsai. So let me actually move this one out of the way for now, and make sure that the seal, yep, the seal is completely broken on that one. So let's go ahead and open this up and check it out. Wow. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. So now I see why it's not eroded, because it's actually not eroded. Let me carefully take this out of the base here. Here we go. And that looks absolutely amazing. It does look like very old, like it's been sitting, kind of has like that, almost like a raw metal look. And even the interior has like a really cool kind of pattern. I don't know if that's like a... It almost looks like a fabric design, maybe like a quilt type, or even like a cool kind of texture pattern. And I think that looks absolutely amazing. And then also like the name of the vehicle is right here on the bottom. I don't know if you guys did see that. And it has a little Hot Wheels Arsham logo, and then the Arsham kind kind of logo up there. And then that's the back of it. The license plate says Bonsai on it, which is pretty cool. And then there's the driver's side. Even like those rims look really cool, and they really fit the vehicle, which I really like. Wow, that looks absolutely amazing. And then the front end looks really good too. Wow, I just love the color of the car. That is really cool. And something I just noticed that is, it's only on the driver's side, or I guess on the passenger side, is there's a little green logo right here behind the front wheel. Let's see if I can focus. And I believe it's like a little bonsai tree, and there's a little yellow logo below that, which I'm not really sure exactly what that would be. It just looks like a yellow spot. But this is absolutely amazing. The attention to detail on this car is stunning. And especially like the interior looks so nice as well. And the way the light kind of reflects off that car looks really good. But put down in the comments down below which one you guys like more. Do you guys like the eroded Diora 2 or the Porsche 356? Because both of these look absolutely amazing. Like, I cannot get over how good these look. So I'm going to go ahead and set these here for now. Let me move this box out of the way. And if you guys have seen the previous videos, they are on my channel, so if you guys want to go check those out after this video, you can. But I did the unboxing of this giant kind of Hot Wheel display case. And as you see, like the whole face of this is eroded. And it's like a giant tire, but it says Super Rally case, has the Hot Wheels Arsham, has the eroded kind of pattern in it with like the crystals growing, which you guys can kind of see that right there. And honestly, after seeing this Diora 2, I really wish this entire thing was like that jade look with the gold inside. I mean, I could probably go through and carefully paint this and actually have it look really cool, but I kind of like the white simplistic look. But inside of this, we're going to go ahead and drop the front down. And you can kind of see, well, the Porsche's up here, and then I have the Roger Dodger already in here. So if you guys have not seen that video, I will briefly show you this car. But what's the Porsche 930, which looks absolutely amazing. So definitely go check out that video. Set that back up here in the top. And then the eroded Roger Dodger, which also looks really cool as well. So now I can go ahead and, let's see, I'll probably put the Diora 2 up here on this side. And then the Porsche 356 right here. And as you guys see, there's still spots for 4 more cars. So they will be releasing more as, like, I guess this year goes on. And I am super excited to fill this whole thing up. Like I said, 4 more spots. I got 4 of the cards right now, so we're kind of halfway through this collection, and I am super excited. If you guys did like this video, definitely go down, hit that like button down below. Also, let me know which one you like the most. Also, out of the 4 cards I have already, which one do you prefer? The Porsche 930, the Porsche 356, Diora 2, or the Roger Dodger? I really like Porsches, like it's one of my favorite brands, but just the color scheme on the Diora 2 looks absolutely stunning. So I don't know, it's kind of hard for me to tell, but definitely put down in the comments down below which one you guys like more. Also, don't forget, if you guys want to get entered into this Lego giveaway, there will be the link in the description down below. Hop onto my merch store. I have a bunch of stuff on there and even a bunch of mainline Hot Wheels. So if you guys don't want to spend that much, you guys can pick up those. But I have a huge variety, so definitely go check it out. Link in the description down below. But if you guys like this video, definitely go down, hit that like button down below. Subscribe if you have not already. But as always, thank you for watching.